Hello, good day. I'm Des from Tenshi Technology Incorporated. We customize and manufacturing different kinds of automation conveyors and machine to all clients who want to inquire. Just text, message, call, or email on my account. So this is the sample of our PVC belt type conveyor. As you can see, it was customized. Depends on the customers and their products. Thank you.